Hello, in this video I will show you how to set up parental controls on OPPO Find X8s. So you have to start by opening your settings application, then you have to scroll down and click on Google. Now click on all services and you have to find parental controls. Then click let's do this and click sign in. Now select Google and you have to enter your lock screen pattern. And now you have to enter your email. And you have to enter your password. Then click I agree. And click accept. Then click on supervise and click next. Now you have to enter your parent email address. Then click next and enter your password. Now you have to scroll all the way down, and here you have to enter your child password again. Then click next and click allow. Now I have to scroll down and click next and click done. And as you can see, my parental control is now set up. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.